Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off password when downloading apps from App Store. Now for us to get this done, we are going to go ahead and open the settings here. And once we've opened the settings, I want you to go ahead and look for the screen time. I'm going to go ahead and open that one. And then we're going to look for content and privacy restrictions, iTunes and app purchases or app Store purchases. Go ahead and make sure that this is set to don't require. And once you're done with that, I want you to go back and we're gonna go ahead and look for Face ID and password, this one right here. And then go ahead and basically type your passcode. Now, once you're in here, you should be able to see here, use Face ID for iTunes and App Store. Make sure that that is disabled, just like so. And once you're done with that, I want you to head over to your App Store. And here you can go ahead and try downloading anything. So say, for example, in terms of app, I'm going to go ahead and get a Drama Box. Get this just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and tap the install button, and you can see that it's done. It's now downloading that application for me. And yep, that's how you're going to turn off password when you're downloading apps from App Store.